Greetings boys and girls and welcome to Infinite Smiles. In today's video I'll be colouring this here card I have for my niece right here. If you haven't seen the previous video, click the card at the top right hand corner of the screen, check it out. I made two previous cards in a previous video of course, of Santa and a reindeer, so be sure to check that out. Here are the 8 colours I'll be using in this here video. First up we have yellow, then green, blue, purple, brown, black, red and finally orange. Now I'm ready to begin. First I will do Santa's nose red, then his cheeks red also. Can you guess what else I'm going to do red next? That's right, his hat and his suit. Next up, which is also red by the way, is Rudolph's nose, the elf's nose and the elf's cheek. For the snowman's nose, instead of using red, we're going to end up using orange. Next up, I will do the scarves. Make sure to wear a scarf outside around your neck when it's cold outside in the winter, when it's snowing, and it's really cold. I will do Rudolph's green and purple, and the snowman's is going to be purple and blue. Next, I will use black and colour in Santa's glove and the top part of the snowman's top hat. Next, I'll do Rudolph. He's dark brown, so you can just about see him, he's too dark. Let's give him a yellow chest to make him stand out. Next, I'll do the chimney. It's all snowing and it's all frozen over, so I'll do blue. And then the chimney itself, I'll do red with a black stripe in the middle and purple at the bottom half. The last of our 4 characters to do in today's video is the elf. If you got an elf watching over you this Christmas, making sure you're behaving, I hope you do, I hope you are behaving. So we'll do his hat first. We'll do it green with a red stripe and brown for his hair. For his collar, his buttons, his pocket on the front of his top and his sleeve, we'll do them all the same colour. So let's do them all red. We will do his outfit purple next. And finally we will do his tights red and his shoes blue. And we'll just leave his face just like Santa's white, because unfortunately we do not have any pink. Moving on to the background now, I will do the snowflakes blue, just start dark blue over any light blue. I'm not going to use any glitter or anything on this card, leave it the way it is. And I'll leave some of them white as well, because snow is white of course. We're almost at the end. Let's do our Merry Christmas letters. A Merry Christmas to each and every one of you watching this. Hope Santa's going to be good to you. Hope you're being good boys and girls too. Anyways, we will do orange, yellow, red and blue, and finally green. I went ahead and coloured in the buildings in the background. I'm not going to colour in the background itself. I could do black, but it'd just be way too dark. Anyways, this is the finishing result. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you for watching. If you hit that red subscribe button at the bottom right corner below this video, there'll be a new Christmas video tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed it, and as always, thank you for watching. Arrivederci and Merry Christmas.